In a world where innovation meets determination, businesses rise to shape our future. Join us at the heart of Bamboo Brew House, located at Dakak Beach and Park Resort, where vision, strategy, and teamwork converge. Discover the passion driving their success.
Mabuhay! Welcome to Bamboo Brew House in Dakak, Dapitan City.
What are some of the early challenges you faced when growing your business and how did you overcome them?
Cash flow, company culture, and balance quality and growth, supply chains. Then you have to do is focus to your business. Try to find ways to make your supplies easier, or just talk to the local suppliers. Then you have to really focus to the cash flows, especially for the food cost control department.
How did you build a strong brand presence and loyal customer base?
For giving your customers some reward, kind of rewards, a warm welcome, and some discount and refreshment.
Did you use any customers' feedback or data to help shape your business decisions or offerings?
Yeah, we will use our data and feedback for our customers so that we can encourage some customers, also sample for our food, just like the kare-kare. So some of the artists coming here, then we will try and convince our guests that this is the kare-kare that some of the artists love it, and also some of the high-ranking officials that this one is our best seller kare-kare.
What marketing channels or strategies were most effective in attracting new customers?
Our most effective strategies to our operation are we just make our own promos, then some special event, then we'll do also radio and TV commercials.
What qualities do you look for employees to ensure they align with the company's value?
I'm looking for the employee that's eager to work, really wanted to work, then also have really even not a big or a lot of experience of our operation, but he has really some idea about my operation.
Where do you see your business in the next 5 or 10 years?
So one of my dream and my goal to my operation for the next 5 to 10 years will be or be successful and one of the famous restaurant of the Mindanao.
How important was timing in your growth of your business? Were there specific market conditions that could you succeed?
Timing is very important to my service operation, especially they are making some promos and some packages. It will affect to my operation when they releasing that kind of promos and package, especially and holidays and summer season.
Can you describe the moment when you realize your business was starting to boom?
A business is considered booming when it's experiencing a period of increased growth and over medium to long term.